What are your names?
Cullen Hall.
Kevin Hagen.
Okay, so we're gonna go through Blender again. I've already talked about it to you guys before, but just to remind you, the problem that we're trying to solve here is that users are trying to listen and share their favorite songs and playlists with their friends in a more social setting, but the options like DJs and jukeboxes are too expensive and outdated. So we're trying to fix that. We want to provide the value of you being able to collaborate and in a social setting and create playlists and track your music with your friends in more of a social media aspect. We can go through our initial prototype that we have here. So this is our login screen. You can either do it with Facebook or you set up a profile and you can log in through that way. You can go on to the next one. So this is what it would look like on your friend feed with all your friends. You have playlists. You can see what type of playlist people are editing, what they're adding, and you can log into it with your friends and add to it, or you can just collaborate on it, and you can queue songs on those playlists. So like Downtown, you can help queue a song that you're trying to vote on, and you can go to the next one. So again, this is your makeup. You have playlists that you can search. Your friends, you can click on their profile and see playlists that they're working on, and you can also queue songs to, depending on the location that you're at. And this is what the voting system would look like. It would have the song on your app, and you can either upvote it, downvote it, and you would help just add on to see which type the bar or party or whatever you're at, what type of playlist they would be playing and what type of songs. And then so this is your map view. So you have a friends list. You would be able to track where they are, what type of music they're listening to. So if one of your friends is at Tots and they're listening to rap music down there, and that's what the atmosphere you're trying to go to, that would help you collaborate with that. Or if they're at another bar and they're listening to some playlists and music that you don't want to listen to, it would help you to just deter from that. You can keep going. So this again is your details. That's how you could create a playlist. You make a name, you can add songs, and you can invite friends to help come edit it, and just make it on your preference. So if you had a workout playlist with your friends, you could invite them to it, and they could join and try to create some songs and a nice playlist for you guys to work out to. And so this is what the playlist would look like. You could go in on your songs. You could help edit them, and it shows who added which song and whatnot. And
Another one.
yeah, well, that's the same one.
Same
You keep
thing.
going. Yeah, that's just your music library, and that's about the app. So, what do you guys like about it, and what do you dislike about it?
I think the map view is pretty cool. How you can like track your friends and like see where they are and like see what kind of music they're playing, and to kind of like bounce around that way. I feel like there's not really an app out there that like does that kind of capability, so I think that's pretty cool.
Okay, Colin.
I like the fact that you guys can all vote yes or no for songs, so it's not like one person selecting the playlist that's going to be going on at the party or the bar, but everybody kind of has their own input. I think that's cool.
I also like how you can like invite friends and they can like add songs to it or like delete songs to it, because I feel like other apps like one person has to make the playlist and then you like that's kind of it, like they're the only ones that can edit it, so I think that's pretty cool too.
So, would you guys think that it's kind of a social media thing? We tried to go for that with the friends feed. Do you think you would use this app, or do you think that it wouldn't be something that would be appealing to you?
Yeah, I would definitely use this app. I think like the whole friends thing and like especially like being able to see where they are and like make playlists together is like a pretty cool like social media aspect almost.
Yeah, I agree. I think I'd use it as well, and it definitely